Okay, multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions. Now, first question we got some mixture of like multiplying and dividing here. Now, before you get into it and too excited about the flipping the second term of the division and all that sort of rules, let's simplify first, okay? So, I'm going to simplify this. That cancels out. That's 1, that's 2, that's 2, that's 7. Okay, so I've got that, and now I'm going to write it nicely, the simplified expression. So that would be 7 on the top and the y left on the denominator, divided by 2y over 1. Okay, well, I'm just going to put 1. Don't need to, but I'll put that in there. And that's a 2y over 7. Now I can do flipping. Times, it flips, 1 over 2y times 2y 7. Now I can also here cancel some things. That's 1, 1. Whole thing is 1, whole thing is 1. Now be careful, don't write your answer as just y, because y is not the answer. Because what do we have here? 1 times 1 times 1 on the top, so I'm just going to write a 1. On the denominator part is y times 1 times 1, which is just y. So the answer is 1 over y. Okay, just be careful with that. And second one, we're going to use the same question here, expression, but I'm going to make that as a division. Okay, see what happens. xy divided by 6y over 3, 4y, 14. So I'm just going to use the simplified ones. Same one, so 7y divided by 1 divided by 2y over 7. Okay, now I need to do the flipping here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the first one as it is, and then going to flip the second one. And you can leave this one as a division and do this first and the third one, or you can flip this as well. Okay, and when you do that, no, I can't simplify this, so I'm going to go 7 times 1 times 7, 49. On the bottom, y times 2y, 4y cubed. And that's it. Okay, so I've left it that. That's my answer. Now, third question is going to be a little bit different to the other two. A little bit more complicated, but it's not too bad. 4x minus 8 over 6 divided by x minus 2 over 3. So again, we need to simplify first. 4 is our common factor, and if you want to, you can just flip this around again. Now it's a good habit to put in a bracket if it's more than one term. Okay, now here I can simplify this first, 2, 3, and then simplify that. And then I can simplify this again with this. Okay, this is going to be a little bit complicated now to write it down, but that's okay. Well, let's go slow. Now on the top here, what I got here is a 2 times 1 times, that's 1 as well. So I've got 2 on the top. Here 1, 1, 1. So it's over 1, so therefore 2. Now, when you write a final answer with lots of cancellation and simplification happening, be very, very careful about your final answer. Okay? All right. The last question. X squared plus 7x plus 12, 4x minus 2 divided by. Now I've got a few dividing questions, but you know, you can practice the multiplying. I mean, I picked the dividing questions because it has a one extra steps, like a flipping part. Anyway, so as you can see here, we need to factorize this first. So I'm going to put it into factorized form here. So it's more than one term, I'll put it in there. Here, we'll just factorize this. So my common factor is 2. I'll take 2 out. I got that. Now here, I've got factors of 12. Product of factor 12, but the product of 12 as well, and the make it 7. Well, you guessed it, 3 and 4. So I'll write it 3 and 4, and they're both plus, obviously. To get 7, you have to plus it. Okay, so that gives me the green light to cancel things after I flip this. Okay, so I'm going to go cancel, 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 cancel. What I've got left is these 2. Okay, everything was cancelled as 1. So my final answer is x plus 3 over 2x minus 1 is my final answer. Okay, well done, people.